Have you ever noticed you can't sneeze with your eyes open? Try it. Nope, didn't work, right? It is because your brain sends a reflex to close your eyes when you sneeze. And no, your eyes won't pop out if you sneeze with them open. That's just a silly myth. It's just your body protecting your eyes from flying germs. So next time you sneeze, just let those eyelids do their thing. Like and follow for more weird human facts.